Hello and welcome to this new video about the Nature project. Today I'm going to show you how to download the game and start it. In order to download the game, please go to the web portal of the Creative Technology Learning Lab, CTLL, as you can see here on the screen. Once you're there, you go to Software and Games and you'll find the Nature game. Just click on this link and you will end up on a page which will always display the latest version of the Nature game. There's also going to be a manual and some instructional video like the one you're seeing right now, which are going to be displayed on the page. Manual and videos can also be accessible from inside the game. So if I click on the link to download the game, I'm redirected to a Google Drive file, which is pretty big. So when I'm going to click on download, you can see that it will take me a certain bit of time. It can take me up to 10 minutes. It completely depends on the speed of your internet connection. Let me cancel that. I have pre-downloaded the file, as you can see it here. And now I can extract this file by right-clicking on it and extracting it to a folder. It's going to take a little bit of time because the folder is pretty big. And once this is done, I'm able to go inside this folder and click on the nature.exe to start the game. And here it starts. Thank you very much for your attention. See you soon for our next video.